Hi guys, welcome to my video. I'm Jay, and today we're going to look at Etsy digital ideas, printable ideas for Etsy, and more importantly, we're going to look at the Halloween niche and the do-it-yourself bookmark printables. So I've typed in here Halloween bookmark printable on Etsy, and if you look, it comes up with 320 people searching for a month. If we just delete the printable bit and go to bookmark, you can see that 51 people are searching for bookmark. For the printable, it's 320, like I said. Halloween bookmarks colour is 20. If you do bookmarks on its own, it's going to be a lot more. But we're going to go and create them on Canva. I'll show you a few of these. Now look how simple they are. We've just got 3 different pumpkins there. This one, ghost, a few extras. This one's a bit more complicated, but still pretty much easy. And then this one, they've coloured it in, showing you. And then another one, some more. This is even easier. Just 4 different things, 4 different items. This one, just lots of different ghosts. This one, pumpkins, but then we put in a few like extra stuff. This one's a bit complicated, but I bet if you play around with it, you do it yourself. It's not exactly hard. And then these ones, these are selling the ones that you colour in. So just create some nice designs and that. And then they're making some with pictures and clip art and that, which is, it's not very hard. You just get the background and put a bit of text on, So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to show you how to make some of these. This is one I made earlier, just messing around. So look, I put some pumpkins on, and a couple of little things to break up the white space here, guys. So you can come over here. And you can type in, I don't know, let's type in Halloween. Not sure if it's going to find any for this. Oh yeah, look, you could just click on one of these and add a few different things here, guys. Like, you can't just use the exact same ones, you get them for copyright. It's not allowed, but you could use these as inspiration. You could change this ghost, you could change the text, the fonts, you name it, guys. Or you can do what, you come to elements, type in Halloween. And then you can use some of these. So you could, that's the background. You could stretch it a bit and then just pick the bit you want. Pick that bit. Or you could have it a bit lighter like this and have some bats at the top. So you could do that, and then you could put this on the bottom or something like that. Now I'm just free falling this, guys. I'm just winging it basically. So this is all you'd have to do yourself. Bit of a ghost on it. And you can have something like that, just something simple like that, But we're going to do some colouring ones now. So you could search for colouring. But what I've done, I've already got some installed. So I'm just going to find them now. Go to my digital stamps. And go to Halloween. Let's try Halloween characters. So we could have werewolf kind of dudes, Now that one only had 3 pumpkins in it, guys, so you could easily just do that. Just have 3 different werewolves, And then if you wanted to make it like, I don't know, what do werewolves eat? Call it a bone, Just make some small bones, just to fit in the gaps, and like, if they don't fit, you can always rotate it like this. Let's get another one in there somewhere. At the top. Make them smaller. This is all you do, guys. Just play around with it, fill a bit of these white spaces up. Before you know it, you've got like you've got your own little design ready and done. Get another small one down here. Now, you spend a bit of time on it, you can create some really good designs. So that's another one, guys. That's we could do. I don't know. Let's do little Draculas or something. So you could have like lots of. You've got your werewolves. You could have your Draculas. You could have your witches. Your different characters. You know what I mean? Like different Halloween characters and. Smaller, so they all fit on. Yeah, this one, I don't know what we have. Little coffins, yeah. Don't want it touching the sides. That's all, guys. I'm trying to rush this video as well, so it's not dragging on. I'm trying to show you like different ideas that you can do. So I'll just show you the ones with the actual image, like proper photos and that. And this one's colouring, because a lot of the kids and that, they love colouring in. And schools and that buy them off some of the shops on Etsy. I've read about it and that. Just like using creativity and imagination to just something like that, just something simple. So you've got like you got this kind of style with the three and the bats, yeah. Then you've got your images like this. What I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna delete some of these. Yeah, and then we'll keep the coffins there if we can. We can have the boy one, yeah? So the boy one can go in the middle like the girl one was. We don't want his wings getting clipped, so they'll do it. Kind of girls on that one, or the standing one, yeah. So we could just easily do that, yeah. Get this boy standing one. There, guys, we've just created two similar, but one with boy, one with girl. Yeah, so you could have like a vampire theme if you wanted, like so you could do like 4 different vampire ones. You could have a mummy one if you wanted. Yeah. All I've done is put like a border on it, yeah. And then when you print them off, it'll be easy for them to cut, won't it? Yeah. So let's have a devil, yeah. So we'll have a devil girl. Yeah, we'll also have a devil boy. We'll also have a devil pumpkin. Well, that's where these things are. No, fuck me off. What's on that? Sorry guys, it's just a matter of playing around, yeah. But you get the picture, guys. I'm going to cut it short there. Feel free to check out some of my other videos. I've showed you how to make Christmas ones. I've showed you how to make other printables, other games, other like KDP and Etsy, like printables and that. So yeah, feel free to, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment below if there's anything you want to learn about, and I will try my best to make a video about it. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.